मैनू इतना मैं प्यार करा, एक पविच 100 बार करा। तू जावे जे मैनू छड़ के, मौत दा इंतजार करा। कि तेरे लिए दुनिया छोड़ दी है, तुझ पे ही सांस आके रुके। मैं तुझको कितना चाहता हूँ ये तू कभी सोच ना सके। तेरे लिए दुनिया छोड़ दी है, तुझ पे ही सांस आके रुके। मैं तुझको कितना चाहता हूँ ये तू कभी सोच ना सके। कुछ भी नहीं है ये जहां, तू है तो है इसमें जिंदगी। अब मुझको जाना है कहाँ के, तू ही सफर है आखिरी। कि तेरे बिना जीना मुमकिन नहीं, ना देना कभी मुझको तू फासले। मैं तुझको कितना चाहता हूँ ये तू कभी सोच ना सके। तेरे लिए दुनिया छोड़ दी है, तुझ पे ही सांस आके रुके। मैं तुझको कितना चाहता हूँ ये तू कभी सोच ना सके।
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, everyone. I hope you are having a wonderful, wonderful evening and a wonderful wedding celebration. My name is Nikhil Shetty, and I'm here to entertain you all this lovely evening. So I hope you all have a beautiful evening together. Thank you. And while we wait for Vyom and Pallavi, we have one more song for you.
मेरे बिना मैं बहने लगा हूँ तेरी हवा में, बहने लगा हूँ जाना मैं कैसे तेरा हुआ हूँ। ये मुझको तो लगता है मैं शायद तेरे दिल की रुआ हूँ। हाँ, तुझको जो पाया तो जीना आया। अब ये लम्हा ठहर जाए, थम जाए बचन हम दोनों के दरमियाँ। तुझको जो पाया अब तुझे भी जाना किधर है, जा रहे तू, मैं वो जहां हूँ जिसे जिए तू, मैं वो समा हूँ तेरी वजह से नया नया हूँ। बहाना मैंने अब ये तुमसे कहने लगा हूँ। हाँ, तुझको जो पाया हुआ तो जीना आया। अब ये लम्हा ठहर जाए, थम जाए, बच जाए हम दोनों के दरमियाँ। तुझको जो पाया हुआ तो जीना आया। अब ये लम्हा ठहर जाए, थम जाए, बच जाए हम दोनों के दरमियाँ।
Alright, so how many of you are waiting for Vyom and Pallavi? Everyone, right? सब रुके ना उनके लिए, बुलाया जाए उनको. Let us all give them a very, very, very warm welcome. I would request you guys to all stand up while the lovely couple enters. Alright, this next song goes out to Vyom and Pallavi.
चाहे तुम कुछ ना कहो, मैंने सुन लिया ये साथी प्यार का, मैंने चुन लिया, सुन लिया, मैंने चुन लिया।
Come on, let's give them a big clap in unison.
What would I do without your smile? Drawing me in, you kicking me out. You got my head spinning, no kidding, I can't pin you down. What's going on in that beautiful mind? I'm on your magical mystery ride, and I'm so dizzy, don't know what hit me, but I'll be alright. My head's under the water, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind, 'cause all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Give your all to me, I give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning. Even when I lose, I'm winning. I'll give you all of me. You give me all of you. I give you all of me. You give me all of you. नया प्यार है नया इंतजार, कर लूं मैं क्या अपना हाथ, ऐ दिले बेकरार, मेरे दिले बेकरार, तू ही बता। ओ बहरा नशा बहरा खुमार, नया प्यार है नया इंतजार, कर लूं मैं क्या अपना हाथ, ऐ दिले बेकरार, मेरे दिले बेकरार, तू ही बता, तू ही बता, हो तू ही बता।
अच्छा पल्लवी, how many of you want to hear the bride sing? Yes? नहीं नहीं नहीं, इतने में नहीं होगा, और आवाज करनी पड़ेगी आपको. Come on. Sound? Can we get keys and vocals, her vocals on this monitor?
Check, check.
Okay, can you all hear her? Awesome. So this is a lovely song that's going to be performed by Pallavi.
A surprise for you, Vyom. Found a love for me, darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. Well, I found a boy, brilliant and sweet. Oh, I never knew you were that someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass.
Guys, don't stop.
Listening to a favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath. You heard it, darling, you look perfect tonight. Well, I found a man stronger than anyone I know. He shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share his hope. I found a love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in don't deserve this. You look perfect tonight.
Come on, one more applause. Come on, guys. Acha, don't go just yet, Pallavi and Vyom. She's a great singer, right? Isn't she? All right, now let's see them dance. Let's do a first dance as a couple. You want to do that? Okay, great.
I'm sorry, this is going to take a minute before the first dance and everything, and before everybody disperses. I just really would like to thank my 3 lovely parents, my 2 lovely moms, an amazing father that I've got, my sister, and my Jiju. He's more like a brother to me than a Jiju. They've handled this show, and how? Everything that you see, every function, every kind of entertainment, every decor aspect, every little minute detail was taken so well cared, so beautifully done by the entire Spunk Entertainment team. I would like to thank everybody, and I know I might be missing out on a lot of people, but thank you so much everyone who has participated in, the dance practice, this and that, and with every little thing, it's just so, these little things, they make up this whole thing, and they've made this wedding so grand and so successful. It's all because of you guys, because you've worked so hard, so hard on the script, the dances, the decor, the everything. Shrina and Avi, really, man, hats off to you guys. I wouldn't have done it without you. And even mom, dad coming down here 10,000 times to say the menu, this, that, so many things, So thank you so much, everyone. Okay, maybe he's not in. Okay. Yeah, okay, I'll just sum it up by saying we are extremely grateful, me and Vyom, both of us, that, this whole thing happened right from the beginning. There were a lot of hurdles and a lot of stuff happened. But yeah, we're here now, we're married, this whole event is it's done. And so beautifully done. Seriously, thank you so much, all of you guys, especially the 5 people that I mentioned. Mom, Mama, Dad, Shrida, Avi, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, I pass it on.
All right, now we have the dance. Vyom and Pallavi first dance as a married couple.
कहते हैं खुदा ने इस जहां में सभी के लिए किसी ना किसी को है बनाया, हर किसी के लिए तेरा मिलना है उस रब का इशारा, मान मुझको बनाए थे जैसे ही किसी के लिए। कहते हैं खुदा ने इस जहां में सभी के लिए किसी ना किसी को है बनाया, हर किसी के लिए तेरा मिलना है उस रब का इशारा, मान मुझको बनाया दे ऐसे ही किसी के लिए। कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता, कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता।
like to invite Vyom and Pallavi's siblings, brother, sister with their respective partners. Come on, join the stage. Also the parents of
सदियों से तरसे हैं ऐसी जिंदगी के लिए, तेरी सोबत में दुआएं हैं ऐसी के लिए, मेरा मिलना है उस रब का इशारा मान, तुझको बनाया दे जैसे ही किसी के लिए, कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता, कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता, कैसे हम जाने हमें क्या पता, कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता, तू हम सफर है फिर क्या फिक्र है, जीने की बजाय ही मरना इसी के लिए।
Avinash Shrida, come on, I want you guys out here.
आशिया तेरा साथ तेरे है, ढूंढते तेरा पता मुझको घर मिला, बुलाना तेरा साथ तेरे है, ढूंढते तेरा पता मुझको रब मिला, तू जो मेरा हो गया मैं काबिल, तू जो मिला तो हो गया सब हासिल, तू जो मिला आसा हुई मंजिल, क्योंकि तुम धड़कन मैं तू बोले क्लास आधा खाली, मैं बोलूं आधा भरा, तू बोले कितना सारा, मैं बोलूं जरा सरा, तू बोले दिन है तो मैं बोलूं रात नहीं, बात तो वही है ना, बस वही बात नहीं, बात तो है बस यही के कि मेरी बात बस जाने तू या जाने ना, माने तू या माने ना, जाने तू या जाने ना, माने तू या माने ना। तू बोले ये जिंदगी ये ना बदलेगी कभी, मैं सोचूं सब बदलता है, तू ना बदलेगी कभी। तू बोले तू ही तू, मैं बोलूं रात नहीं, बात तो वही है ना, बस वही बात नहीं, बात तो है बस यही के कि मेरी बात बस जाने तू या जाने ना, माने तू या माने ना, जाने तू या जाने ना, माने तू या माने ना।
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
This evening has already been extremely special for each and every one of us. And to make it more special, we have Vyom's elder Masa. He's celebrating his 76th birthday today. So a very big round of applause for Praveen Masa. Happy birthday to you. We have a little cake cutting ceremony for him. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. More friends than you. Friends and you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Woo!
Can we all sing for him together in unison? Awesome.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. From all friends Missing piece. So as long as I live, I love you. Will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white. And from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. All we have is timeless. My love is endless. And with this ring, I say to the world, you're my every reason. You're all that I believe in. With all my heart, I mean every word. So as long as I live, I love you. Will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white. And from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful.
I would request everybody to please clear the stage.
All the best.
Happy birthday once again, Masa.
All the best. Thank you very much.
So, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to mention one more word of thanks and for all the lovely memories that have been captured. It's really been a journey of Pallavi and Vyom, and we're going to be witnessing that right from their pre-wedding till today. So please enjoy this amazing video put together by Rangresa Pictures. Please give a very big round of applause to Kunal and his entire team who have been amazing and flawless at their work. Please a round of applause. आपको चाहिए आपके फोटोज तो ज़्यादा जोर से तालियां बजाओ, नहीं तो नहीं मिलेंगे. And follow them on Instagram better, Rangresa Pictures, okay? And also please, whatever photos you put on Insta, hashtag #PalPalVyom. Thank you very much. Let's please have the pre-wedding show.
I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass. We're listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight.
Is this all it's gonna be? Gold dust shimmers on my feet. They lay me down and the sky turned pink. And is this all it's
check. Guys, that was awesome, awesome. Kunal, I would like for you to come here, please. Please, please, please. Please, Mithali, when you come, recording में दे दूंगी, आ जाओ. Anybody else from Kunal's team right here? Please come, please, please, please. I request you. I insist, छोड़ दो ये यार. एक जन वीडियो ले लो, आपको कवरेज मिल जाएगा. नहीं तो रह जाएगा. These guys have done an absolutely amazing, fantabulous, मतलब इससे कोई बड़ा word है तो वो भी amazing job. Same day edit is not a joke, guys. Same day edit is not a joke. ये लोग ने आज ही capture करके आज ही edit करके दिया है. Even the pre-wedding was just outstanding. I would like for you all to take a bow, please. Well deserved. Thank you so much, Kunal. Thank you, Rangresa Pictures. You all are amazing. They also take all sort of orders, huh? For everyone. Thank you. And maybe please have Nikhil back on stage. Please. Nikhil, we won't take any more breaks, I swear. Pakka. As an artist manager to an artist, I understand.
Hi, good evening, friends. We hope you all are enjoying all these functions in which we have put our hearts out. And this is for me, my dream come true. I wanted all the people who I love and who I wanted to be in the function, and trust me, nobody has let me down. Everybody has come, and I'm so happy about it. Tonight, we both take this opportunity to thank all of our friends and family members for joining us to celebrate our happiness and making it memorable. It really means a lot to us. A big thank you to our friends and family members who extended their help and were always there for us. This is a special thanks to, I would like to have Vaibhavi with me, please. She was basically not a choreographer to us. She's been Vyom's friend, but you won't believe that when she used to come at our house and there were nobody who was there, she was there as a family member. She used to, even on the choreography sessions, whenever we used to have, she used to come in the kitchen, serve people, and she was a family member. So we never ever thought that this would go so beautifully, and Vaibhavi has come so close to us. She's a family member to us now. Thank you, Vaibhavi. Thank you so much. Please, a big round of applause. I want a really big round of applause on my behalf to Vaibhavi. Please, thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you, Vaibhavi. Thank you so much. Secondly, I would specially thank, as per what Shrida says, HK, the doctor team, Dr. Hemal and Dr. Chaya for constantly being there with us, helping us every possible way to make these celebrations a great success. Please, Hemal and Chaya, I want you here. I would also like to thank Kunal Rangresa. He is basically a close relative of mine, and I really wanted him to enjoy this function. I told him upright that you are not supposed to be doing the photography, but I would like to thank Kunal also. Kunal, please. Mithali, please. Oh, please. Oh, Hemal bhai, tab kya bhagi gela bhai? No chale yaar. Please, a big thanks to Dr. Hemal and Dr. Chaya.
He has cancelled at times his OPDs as well, and the surgery is postponed just because of this function. Every time, till 2 he was with us.
Please. Aao.
Thank you so much.
Jo bouquet hai. Thank you, Kunal. Thank you, Mitali.
Thank you so much.
You guys have been wonderful. Bahut saru laigu. And we saw your product. That is fantastic, and we really wanted this, and you are much beyond our expectations. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to you and your team. And now, lastly, thank you very much. And lastly, last and not the least, Avi and Shrida. They've been phenomenal. I hadn't been without Avi and Shrida. The small thing what Pallavi said, it is absolutely true. They have saw into the smallest of things, and I could never imagine that the whole function went flawless. And all these credits basically to Avi and Shrida.
Spunk Entertainment.
Yes, Spunk Entertainment. Their team has been phenomenal. Please, Avi and Shrida.
Actually, I would like to say something. This entire planning, this entire arrangements that we have today and that we all have enjoyed, uncle, auntie have given their 110%. Like, I cannot even imagine. They have, there is sometimes the trust that you put forward. That free hand uncle auntie had their trust on us. ठीक है अभी श्रीदा तुम लोग कहते हो तो done चलो. We don't want to you guys have more knowledge about these things. So uncle auntie, thank you for trusting us with things that we know that we will execute, and really we would like to say thank you to for that. It's a team effort, and without uncle auntie's support and of course Vyom and Pallavi, तुम लोग का it doesn't make sense. तुम लोग obviously पता है credit के हकदार हो. So thank you so much, and we'll not take, and of course mom, that goes also without saying. So thank you so much. We'll not take much time. We want you guys to enjoy the evening, and of course auntie, uncle, thank you so much once again.
And sorry Nikhil, I'm really apologizing. I took away a lot of time of yours, but I would have missed it otherwise. I wouldn't be able to. Thank you very much, Nikhil. Thank you guys.
नहीं 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 ये बात है पुरानी. कैसी पहेली है ये, कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी. नहीं 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 ये बातें है पुरानी. ओ कैसी पहेली है ये, कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी. La 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 la. Zoo 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 zoo. पीले से इसमें नशा जिसने पिया वो हमें भी हंसा. हंसाए और पल में रुलाए कहानी. वो कैसी पहेली है ये, कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी. ये छाँव सुहानी, ओ कैसी पहेली है ये, कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी। नहीं 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 ये बातें हैं पुरानी। कैसी ओ कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी। ओ थामा रोका इसको किसने, आए तो बहता पानी। हो कैसी ओ कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी। ओ कैसी पहेली है, कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी। ओ कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी। बेकरार करके हमें यूं न चाहिए, आपको हमारी कसम लौट आइए। बेकरार करके हमें यूं न चाहिए, आपको हमारी कसम लौट आइए। गुलाब की वो डालियां, बढ़ के चूम लेना आपके कदम। खोए खोए भंवरे भी है बाग में, कोई आपको बना न ले सनम। बहकी नजरों से खुद को बचाइए, आपको हमारी कसम लौट आइए। बेकरार करके हमें यूं न चाहिए, आपको हमारी कसम लौट आइए। लड़के भीगी भागी से सोते रातों में झागी से, मेरी एक अजनबी से कोई आगे न पीछे, तुम ही कहो कोई बात है। एक लड़के भीगी भागी से सोते रातों में झागी से, मेरी एक अजनबी से कोई आगे न पीछे, तुम ही कहो कोई बात है। डगमग डगमग लहकी लहकी, फूली भटकी बहकी बहकी। डगमग डगमग लहकी लहकी, फूली भटकी बहकी बहकी। मछली मछली घर से निकली पगली सी काली रात में, हाँ मिली एक अजनबी से कोई आगे न पीछे, तुम ही कहो कोई बात है। इंतहा हो गई इंतजार की, बेवफा